The universe is full of secrets. Welcome to Nestle Wonders.
Right now, somewhere on Earth, thunder is shaking windows and rattling doors. Sound is everywhere. But travel just a few hundred kilometers above you, and there is complete, total, absolute silence. Forever. Sound travels like ripples in water. When something vibrates, it pushes air molecules in waves until they reach your ear. In space, there are almost no molecules. The wave has nothing to travel through, so silence is total and permanent. A supernova, a dying star exploding, releases more energy in 1 second than our sun produces in its entire lifetime. If you were watching from a safe distance in space, you would see this universe-shaking event in total silence. Not even a whisper. Here is the secret. In giant gas clouds called nebulae, there are just enough particles for pressure waves to travel. But they move so slowly, a single sound wave takes 100 years to complete one cycle. Scientists speed these recordings up so we can hear them. And when they do, space actually sounds like this. Now you know. Space is silent because there are almost no molecules for sound to travel through. The biggest explosions, fastest rockets, most violent collisions in the universe, all happening right now in complete silence. The universe is the loudest place nobody can ever hear.
The world is stranger and bigger than we imagine. Stay curious. The next wonder awaits.